recorded actually on a CD that we released in Japan. It's a Hula Le'a CD. And there's a song entitled Kui Po Nauna. And the song was inspired by Mr. Kawai Koke. You know, the three of us listened to Hawaiian music all our life. The two of them went to Kamehameha schools. I went to public school in Maui. At that time it was Kamehameha schools Maui. We never have Kamehameha schools then. I call them Baldwin High School. You know, it was just a privilege to hear such beautiful music from our elders or our icons that we look up to. So we featured this song, a beautiful love song entitled Kui Po Nauna. Please enjoy the ladies of Halau Kala'akea Kauika Vekiu.
Hey,